What's up, everybody? How are you doing? I hope that you guys loved my dance step. My name is Bayo Adiyo, the Nigerian nomad for you guys that do not know who I am. I'm a first-generation Nigerian American, currently living in Nigeria with my family, and I talk a lot about real estate, agriculture, life in Nigeria, and all types of stuff. Today, we are verifying another luxurious duplex to add to our platform that you guys can come and rent when you come to Lagos, Nigeria. And our platform is nomadhomestays.com. For you guys that are curious, what we're hosting on this platform are curated, pre-verified properties that you can come and check out, that you don't have to worry about what it looks like, the legitimacy, the quality, it's all done for you. Now, I have always shown you guys more affordable, budget-friendly, simple, like duplexes and choices to come to. But I've gotten some requests that like, Bayo, we understand that you want to show us affordable, but I want luxury. I'm like, okay, you want luxury? I got you. Some people can afford luxury, so I'm going to show you luxury. So come and check out this lovely duplex. So this place is in Lekki area of Lagos, Nigeria, specifically Ikate Lekki, which is like literally the next neighborhood to Lekki Phase 1. Lekki Phase 1 is literally across the street. So I'm gonna start on the inside and then we'll end up going outside. So again, this is luxury, but it's also designed for hosting and entertaining as well, and for like a larger size family. But definitely it's amazing for hosting. So if you want to flex a little bit, this is a beautiful place to host. So first, entertainment space, you have a 4-seater here. So this is an area you guys can chill, do whatever, hang out. Then on top of that, you can have some friends here watching you guys play pool, some friends there, playing PS5, watching a soccer game or a TV show. You can just kind of flow in and out of this space. So this table right here, it has 2 functions. Number 1 function, you can play pool. I need to work on my pool skills. That's bad. You guys will entertain me. I need to redeem myself on this video. Let me get that in. Ha! It went in. So that's number 1 option, but this is convertible. If you have kids that want to play ping pong, you can also add this on top and start a ping pong tournament. Again, you can have a lot of entertainment on the inside. So beautiful glass here. I love the African map. So outside of that space, this here, you have a nice, it's a V couch. V couch, very unique. So I love the uniqueness of this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people can sit in here. But I love this because if you want to lounge with your leg up, you can chill here and you can have your significant other right next to you while other people are hanging out. Maybe you guys can hang out here. You guys are the couple host, and then everybody else is on the edge. I think it's cool. Anyway, so yes, you have a big screen TV, nice, beautiful artwork, stucco painting, nice plants and everything throughout the house. Just so much design elements. So as we're walking through here, the first room you see here is a guest toilet. So again, this is for guests to use their restroom so they don't have to be in your private space. So that one is good to go. So as we walk through here, come and check out this beautiful guest room. Very warm, very cozy. So as you guys can see, lovely artwork, lovely headboard design, lovely lights pieces, everything that makes a house look luxurious, curtains, color palettes. And then you also have a nice little area there that you can use to do your makeup, check out your place. Everything is all good. Now, each room has its own restroom, so check it out. All right, so let's go see what other features are downstairs. If you guys would see earlier, me busting out my moves, this is so lovely. I did not think I would like this, but I absolutely actually love this. So if you just want to chill out inside, by the way, they have a fan there, they have some extractors, they have all types of designs to make sure that there's some ventilation. But you guys, it's not deep at all. So people can actually come and have a very exclusive private pool here. Like your kids can come and hang out here, or you can just have a nice little party. It's just a pool to soak in. After a long, hot day in Lagos, you can just look forward to getting home, taking a quick shower and jumping in the pool. I think it's perfect for that. And you don't have to worry about people seeing you. It's quite private. But I didn't think it would work, but I love it. It's sexy. I like it. All right, so that's the feature I wanted to show you guys downstairs. Now, let's go upstairs to check out the other features. All right, so now that we're upstairs, let's check out this room and then we'll come and check out the other room. So this is a 4 bedroom, 1 bedroom downstairs, 3 bedroom upstairs. Let's go check out this one. Ta-da! Isn't this lovely? So lovely. 2 sitting area here, beautiful headboard, beautiful light pieces. And this one even has an outdoor, if you wanted to get some fresh air, it does have an outdoor space here that you can just kind of check out outside. Not bad. I like it. All right, so this is one of the rooms upstairs, but before I even go further, this place has so much mirrors. So if you guys like mirrors, you're gonna love this space. There's full closets here. 2 closets for people, and come and check out this bathroom. Very spacious bathroom. Lovely, right? I love the spaciousness of this one. And each room comes with, obviously, AC, remote, your own smart TV, your own workstation, everything, full luxury. All right, let's go check out the other spaces of the house. Look at this. So now, this is a very, very unique thing that I love. Again, I didn't think I would love it, but I love it. Because typically when you have this multi-level design, the kitchen is usually downstairs, which some people prefer. But there's something comforting about this to know that the rooms are here and you can come here and have breakfasts and you don't have to like go down, come up. There's TV here, an open concept kitchen. I love it. Anyway, so you have a big fridge. You can store food, freezer, food for days. You have your black granite countertop, your stove, your 6-cooker stove, microwave oven, washing machine, even a TV to entertain yourself while eating breakfast. I think that is very, very, very cool. All right, let's go check out the other rooms. So here's another room right here. Check it out. Room number 3. Again, very, very cool. I love the lights. I love the accent. Check out this light. Quite unique. I love it, I love it, I love it. So this one has its own closet, AC, pretty much every standard. TV, smart TV, workstation, everything. It also has its own restroom as well. Toilet. All right, guys, let's go check out the last room, room number 4. Man, look at this big mirror. All right, so here is room number 4. Check it out. Let me even turn on the lights for you guys. Look at this. Oh, it's so warm and cozy. So again, AC, the whole shebang, mirrors, smart TV, everything comes with this space. Let's go check out the bathroom. All right, guys. So that is the full tour of this 4-bedroom luxurious duplex in Lagos, Nigeria. So let's chat. All right, guys, I hope that you enjoyed the tour of this beautiful, luxurious 4-bedroom duplex in Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So the thoughts that's probably coming to mind is Bayo, fine. I know it's beautiful. It's got the pool. It's got the beautiful lights. It's got the open concept kitchen. It's got the beautiful couches, the pool table, the sitting area, the lovely cozy bedrooms, all the TVs, all the ACs, all this beautiful. How much is it? Okay, so this is roughly 350,000 naira to 500,000 naira per night. And this is going to depend on the season. But I'll say in general, off season, you're probably going to see from 350 to 400. And then in season, 500,000, which is going to be roughly anywhere from like $230 roughly to like 350, 360. I'm trying to do the rough conversion in my mind. So yeah, that's how much it would be to rent this place. I think this is lovely. It's lovely for events, for gathering, for having friends around, or just coming to chill with your family in Lagos, Nigeria, without no stress and just enjoying a beautiful apartment that has all of the comforts that you need. Again, if you're interested in booking this apartment, visit nomadhomestays.com. I'll also add the direct link in the description of this video if you want the direct link to this property. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are a host or a property owner, a Shortlet property owner, and you would like us to upload your property or feature your property on our platform, definitely check it out. Reach out to us in the WhatsApp number in the description, and we would love to bring you up on board. We will add the form. If you're an agent and you'd like to subscribe to our platform, I'll add the form. If you're an owner that you would like to list your platform, I'll add all the sign-up forms in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. And lastly, remember guys, it's your time to rise and let your light shine. Peace.
Oh, remember to rise and let your light shine bright.